Alright guys, what a day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use market volatility to your advantage. Okay, today was probably the #1 most volatile day of 2020 so far. I think there's going to be a lot more of them. And I'm going to show you how we nailed 1, 2, 3, 4 perfect setups for almost 400 Dow points. Alright, let's do it. Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at DynoTrading. Hope things are well on your side. And yeah, I mean, today was probably one of the best volatile trading days of 2020. I think many of you guys who traded today saw that in the market today. It didn't even matter what instrument. I mean, you guys know I love the Dow futures, but NASDAQ was on fire, S&P was on fire, gold futures were on fire. I mean, pretty much everything was crazy today. And I keep telling you guys this, right? Day trading volatility is how you make money in any instrument. Okay, I don't care if you trade stocks, futures, Forex, even options. I don't see how it's possible to make money unless you have wild intraday moves. And I've come to the conclusion that if you want to make money day trading, you have to embrace volatility. You have to hope that every single day is a day like we saw today in the market. And who even knows what the reason is, right? I mean, you had some weird stuff happening in China over the weekend, or maybe guys just thought the market's at an all-time high, let's lock in some profits. I mean, there's any number of reasons that volatility is going to hit the market, and all you can really do, okay, is be prepared, come to work every day looking to trade. Have a good attitude, have a good mindset. I mean, you look at a day like today, it was literally like taking candy from a baby, right? You had any number of perfect setups with just gorgeous retracements, all right? Here was the first one, long signal. Draw your high, draw your low. You tell me, was there a retracement? How about the second one? Short signal, draw your high, draw your low. Long signal, again, draw your high, draw your low. And then the final short sell-off right after lunch, draw your high, draw your low. In each one of these instances, guys, can you tell me if you see a retracement? Right? I mean, there's no other way to say it. Today was just gorgeous for trading. Hands down, straight up gorgeous. Anyway, these first 3 signals, I think you guys know these are pretty obvious. These retracements were nice and deep. So what I'm going to highlight for you in today's video is, what do you do on a shallow retracement, right? Like you see this dyno short signal bar right here, okay, which is the first red bar after any green. That's how you know to go short. And what exactly does it look like when a short retracement happens, like you can see over here? Okay, so let's go ahead and draw that out. Okay, you guys know what comes next. We're going to jump over to our T-bar chart, which is right here, and I've drawn the dyno short signal. Okay, this is the dyno short signal that's represented by this vertical stripe here, and let's capture our highs and lows. So that is what, about 300 and about 250. All right, so let's go ahead and draw our zone. 300 is all the way up here, and 250 is right around there. Okay, this is the retracement zone. Nothing new there. You're waiting for price to come back in here, and you're looking to sell the shit out of it in this zone right here, right? Shame on you if you tried to buy this market knowing full well it's in the sell zone. Okay, so let's just really zoom in here. Okay, let's just really zoom in here and examine this. And guys, what I'm going to show you here, it's not brain surgery. Okay, it's not complicated. Anytime you get a close or a tag of the zone, you're looking for shorts, period. You got to train your mind to have that simplistic attitude. I mean, that's the only way to stay focused and stay disciplined at trading, right? Otherwise, you're going to talk yourself, you're going to second guess yourself all day long, and that's the reason that most traders fail, right? So the minute that you identify, all right, boss, it's time to look for shorts, you know what you have to do, right? You draw your pivot points and you start drawing trend lines in this fashion, okay? Because you're waiting for price to smash through to the downside, right? So if we take a look at these 2 pivot points here, let's just draw them like that. That's a beautiful trend line. The trade gets filled right in this section over here. Your stop gets placed right over here. And if I squish this in, see how this trade played out? Well, you know how it played out. it just dropped like a stone for an easy 100 points on the Dow futures. Okay, let me go ahead and fit this chart so we can see the entire trade. All right, let's squeeze this in again. So while all those individual retail traders and people that generally don't know what they're doing, they're fussing around, trying to go long, trying to go short, trying to figure out what's happening here, we got in at the start of this downtrend all the way in this little box here, and we did it by doing nothing more than drawing a simple trend line. Not once have you ever seen me talk about indicators or moving average lines or Fibonacci or support resistance. Never, okay? There is only one truth to the market, and that's price action. There's only one way to trade, and that is by getting in on a retracement. There's only one way to make money, and that is by letting the trend do the heavy lifting for you. Okay? Anyway, guys, I hope you killed it in the market today. These are the days that every single day trader dreams of. I think there's going to be many, many more days just like this. All right? If you're interested in these dyno charts, get in touch. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on the next trade.